Hello, I'm Alex Avkin, CEO at BSC Designer, with over 2 decades of experience in strategic planning. In this video, I will introduce to you our strategy implementation system. While we design it with the users of our tool in mind, this system is software agnostic and beneficial for any organization looking for enhancing their strategic planning. Let's explore the key components of our approach using this diagram. We start with prioritizing stakeholders, examining their requirements, resources, and constraints. This analysis is not a one-time task. Experienced strategists continually reinvent their products and services in response to the evolving needs of stakeholders. Stakeholders' strategic ambitions and conditions of the business environment are broad and not specific. To begin working on the strategy, we employ a value-based decomposition, breaking complex challenges into manageable chunks. Some organizations concentrate on high-level goals in those strategies. These goals might sound relevant for top managers, but without decomposition, they have little value for teams that will be working on them. In first place, we approach decomposition intuitively, relying on our experience. Additionally, we employ an ecosystem of frameworks where strategic planning tools are grouped based on the decomposition method they suggest. An argument that we often hear is that a company has chosen a specific business framework to use, such as OKR, Objectives Key Results, or the Balanced Scorecard. While these are excellent business tools, they require inputs provided by other strategy analysis and description frameworks. That's why we stress the collaborative use of frameworks rather than attempting to address all strategy challenges with a single tool. As a result of decomposition, three entities emerge: goals, initiatives, and KPIs. You might know them by different names, but what's important is that they form the foundation of any strategy. Goals define what we want to achieve, and to retain the reasoning behind them, we align stakeholders with the goals. We break down goals into sub-goals and define initiatives, including specific action plans, hypotheses for validation, and risk mitigation plans. We quantify goals and initiatives to ensure clarity and shared understanding. Logging indicators are used to quantify outcomes and the value created for stakeholders. Leading indicators quantify success factors. Some companies skip the previous steps and go directly to the design of KPIs. While such strategies serve as a great performance measurement exercise, they don't address the why and how questions. As a result, companies don't see a significant improvement in their performance. To organize our goals, KPIs, and initiatives, we use scorecards. There will be scorecards dedicated to change goals, the strategy scorecards, as well as functional scorecards containing supporting data such as analysis of external factors or competition. When executing strategy, we follow action plans, update KPIs, and achieve goals. Our approach involves continuous learning and adjustment based on findings. We should question the goals, initiatives, and KPIs. We should rethink the decomposition method used, and we should even question our understanding of the needs of stakeholders. Finally, for a long time, the concept of strategy was commonly presented as a monolith. However, the increasing complexity of the business landscape requires a shift from a monolithic strategy architecture. In our system, we adopt an architecture based on aligned scorecards, cascaded by normalized goals or perspectives. What have we achieved by following the system? We have created a single source of truth about strategy, starting a high level perception and ending with a low level decomposition. We have made our strategy more maintainable, collaborative, and ready to scale. We have developed a tool to facilitate discussions of all aspects of our strategy and improve its execution. Thank you for exploring our strategy implementation system. Navigate to the home page linked in the description for free materials explaining each step. If you are looking for personalized guidance, feel free to contact our team to discuss the details.